I want to move on to some of the observations that the defense talked to you about. You previously, or the defense previously mentioned that you made a comment relating to you couldn't really smell anything. Could you elaborate a little bit further as to what you meant when you said that?
So when I walked up to the vehicle, it wasn't 100% apparent that the smell of alcohol was apparent to me. I wanted another officer's opinion.
And when you're making that observation of not 100% knowing, is that when you're standing outside of the vehicle?
Yes.
Did it become more apparent to you when you began searching the vehicle?
Yes.
What specifically did you smell when you were searching the vehicle?
Alcohol and marijuana and apparently cologne.
And just to clarify, so you mentioned cologne. You could smell alcohol and marijuana even over the cologne smell.
Objection leading.
Objection asked and answered.
Could you smell the marijuana smell and the alcohol smell over the cologne?
Yes.
Okay. Now, defense also talked to you a bit about protocol as it relates to how you impounded evidence in this case. Now, I know we talked a lot about the liquor bottle that was closed. Was there anything other than just this bottle of liquor that you found that smelled like alcohol?
Yes.
And what was that?
That was the container found in the cup holder.
Okay. Now, returning back to the bottle of liquor that you found, you mentioned earlier that there was a protocol in place. Is that correct?
Correct.
And what was the protocol that you were familiar with?
That I cannot impound liquids.
Now, defense counsel previously showed you a protocol for General Order number 42. I'm going to hand that to you here now. I want to direct your attention to the section that states current revision. Could you tell us if that revision of the policy shown to you by the defense was the policy that was in place on May 7th of 2023?
No.
Okay, when was this one in place?
July 24th of 2023.
So what's discussed in this document may have been would it have been different from potentially from what you, strike that, sorry. I'm gonna ask the question again. So the policy that the defense pointed your attention to, is it possible that it was different on May 7th, 2023 from what you were handed?
Objection,
Yes.
speculation. Is it possible that it was different? She doesn't know.
Okay. Officer, can you tell us when this specific policy was put into place?
This was revised, or the original issue was July 15th of 1985.
And when was it revised?
July 24th, 2023.
Okay, and that's specific to the copy you have for that one.
Correct.
Additionally, I know you previously mentioned that there was potentially a manual that would be included with that. Did you see the manual that you're referring in that policy?
No.
So is there more to the policy for impounding evidence than what defense showed you?
Yes.
Okay. In that additional manual or in your knowledge, do you know if there is a policy that says you cannot keep liquids?
Yes.
Okay. Now, when it comes to impounding liquids, is that something you were trained on, not to impound liquids?
Correct.
Is that something that, at any point during your investigation, I know there was 2 other officers there, were you ever told that you need to impound this liquid?
No.
Okay. Is that because it was within policy?
Correct.
Objection leading.
Okay. Defense also asked you about testing the contents of the open container inside the vehicle. Officer, is it standard for you to test contents of an open container?
Objection. What standard is not relevant to this specific case?
It's been brought into relevancy has been, the door has been open as to this specific issue, therefore relevance is at issue now, and but it has been noted for the record. Officer, I'm going to ask the question again. Are you aware of whether or not you're required to test the contents of this cup?
No, I'm not required to, and I don't know of a device that would even test the contents that we would obtain on patrol.
Okay. Did you have any device in your possession that could test the contents of the open container?
No.
So you see this open container in the vehicle in the center console. What do you do to try to determine whether or not this is alcohol in it?
I picked it up and smelled it.
And what did it smell like?
It smelled like alcohol.
Now I want to pause and I want to go back to the beginning of your investigation momentarily. The defense talked to you about a blinker. How long did it take before the defendant initiated his blinker?
Several blocks.
Okay. And when he's driving these several blocks without the blinker and everything, do you notice him swerving?
Yes.
Do you notice his lights on at that point?
Objection asked and answered.
Do you want me to just answer it? No, at this point his lights are not on.
Okay. Also, I know we talked a bit about the auto lights. When would auto lights be activated?
If the dial is turned to the word auto,
And specifically, what type of time of day would you normally see auto lights activated?
at night,
Okay. What time of day was this stop taken at?
2 a.m.
Okay. Was it light outside or was it dark?
It was dark.
Okay. So it was dark outside and the defendant didn't have his lights on. You stop him. At that point, were you able to show him that the lights were off?
Objection, compound question and asked and answered.
I'll rephrase the question. Were you able to show him that the lights were off?
Yes.
And did he believe you that the lights were off?
No.
Okay. What did he say when you told him about the lights being off?
Are you sure?
Okay. So, officer, okay, so after your investigation, you were asked several questions about having your body-worn camera activated. Are you required under policy to keep your camera activated when you're not engaging with civilians or suspects?
No.
Okay. So when you were when the vehicle was being towed, were you in proximity to the defendant at that point?
No.
Were you having any interactions with the defendant?
No.
So based on your experience, would you have been required to have your camera on during the towing?
Objection, bolstering.
You may answer the question.
I'm sorry, can you ask the question again?
Would you have been required to have your camera on during the towing?
No.
Okay. Would you have been required to have your camera on during any discussions where the defendant wasn't present?
No.
Okay. No further questions.
Just want to clarify a few more things. You don't know Mr. Riley, is that correct?
Other than this incident, no.
Right. You never met him previously.
No.
No. So you don't know his normal faculties.
No.
You don't know how he regularly speaks.
No.
You don't know how he regularly walks.
No.
You don't even know how he regularly drives.
No.
You never asked him whether he knew his license was suspended, correct?
No, I did not.
No, because you just assumed so because he didn't have his license on him.
And the driving record.
And you said that you usually check where the notices are sent, correct?
Correct.
As part of your deeper investigation.
Yes, I verified the address with the notices, and then I know that Officer Muth also asked him.
But earlier you testified that you just assumed that the address that the notices were sent to were 429 West Brevard Street.
Yes.
So you didn't know for certain.
No, I'm going off of what David said.
Okay, so your deep dive was based on your assumption.
If you would say that, yes.
And you didn't ask if 429 West Brevard Street was where Mr. Riley got mail?
I did not ask that, no.
No. And you never asked him whether he received a notice?
No.
Have you previously testified that the protocol is to dump out open containers?
I don't remember.
But you're saying that you're supposed to dump out all liquids.
I can't impound liquids.
So the reason why you dumped out the liquor bottle is because of that.
So
Objection asked and answered.
I'm just asking for clarification.
there's a couple of reasons. So one, I can't impound liquid. Two, I'm not able to drive with alcohol in my vehicle. And at the time, I believed that I was going to impound it,
Okay.
which I said was my bad.
And when you found the bottle, you also found a cup that you believed had alcohol in the cup holder, correct?
Yes.
And you didn't dump that out.
No.
No other further questions?
Just one final question. When you saw the cup in the center console that was open, was there a lot of liquid in there?
No.
Okay, so was it remnants or was there liquid?
There was a little bit of liquid.
Okay, so would it have been necessary for you to dump that out, given the little amount in there?
No, I could still smell it.
All right, no further questions.
Nothing further.
Okay.
Ready to go off the record?
Yes, sir.
The time is 11 a.m. We are off the record.